It's time to take a look at what's trending this morning. A supermarket employee is facing charges for attacking former New York Mayor Rudy Giuliani on Staten Island on Sunday. Police say 39-year-old Daniel Gill slapped Giuliani on the back at the ShopRite store where Gill was working. Giuliani was handing out flyers there for supporting his son's run for governor. His son was not at the store at the time and was campaigning elsewhere. The 78-year-old attorney for former President Trump was not injured and refused medical treatment. Gill, though, is facing second-degree assault charges for hitting a senior citizen.
That is not good. You got to keep your hands to yourself.
Yep.
You can't go around slapping people.
No, don't do that. And it's a grocery store. It's a family place.
Exactly. Gosh. And of course, speaking of family places as well.
Yep.
This weekend, we had a lot of Pride Month events taking place across the nation, including some return of some parades. Chicago's Pride Parade returned after being canceled, of course, the last couple of years because of COVID. Festivities also taking place in several other cities around the nation, like New York, San Francisco, and Seattle. Pride events, well, they kicked off in the mid of new fears, that is, about potential erosion of freedoms won through the decades of activism. At least one Supreme Court justice, Justice Thomas, I believe, signaling in Friday's ruling on abortion that the court could reconsider the next right to same-sex marriage that was recognized in 2015. So, yeah, we'll have to stay tuned and see how that works out.
Definitely have to see how that all unfolds.
It's going to get muddy for sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Lastly, this morning, it was a big night for hockey fans as the Colorado Avalanche wins its first Stanley Cup since 2001. The Avalanche defeated the Tampa Bay Lightning 2-1 in Game 6 of the Stanley Cup final last night and prevented the Lightning from winning the title for a third straight season. Colorado's Cup win was the culmination of a dominant postseason run. The Avalanche went 16-4 overall and swept both their first-round series against Nashville and the Western Conference Final against Edmonton. Congratulations to them. I know, I'm from Minnesota. I'm not a big hockey guy, though. I know.
What?
I know.
That's like your thing up there.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to get my Minnesota citizenship card revoked here pretty quick.
I am shook. I'm turning you in.
Well, I'm sorry.
Congratulations to them, though.
Congratulations to them.